I'm Daniela. I'm a fifth-year student here in the Medical University Pleven, and I'm from Italy. Well, I was competing in an art and craft contest organized by the University of Glasgow, and I won the third place in this contest. I should thank Dr. Bogeva from the Anatomy Department because she spoke me about this competition in November, and I submit my work in December. Well, it's pretty complex to be explained, but basically we can see the section of the brain with the two hemispheres, but we usually have like one hemisphere that is more logical and the other one is more emotional, let's say. Here I'm gonna celebrate the more emotional one, that is the right one, even if usually it's the left one. Why? Because I'm kind of celebrating the diversity. Usually only in the 15% of cases the more emotional is the right one. In fact, here we can see the nucleus accumbens with the musical notes here, because it's related to the compensation, something that you like, you know. And the Broca's and Wernicke's area with, that are connected with the comprehension of the text, the speeches, and even the expression of something you're thinking about, even emotions. So this means that on the left side here we have the more logical side of the brain, represented by the basal ganglia. So we have the caudate nucleus with the putamen and the globus pallidus, and here we have the thalamus. And basically they are involved in filtration, inhibition, and excitement of each motion, of each action. And on the side we have the ocean, that is representing in this case the claustrum, that is also known as the seat of consciousness. Okay, so whatever we do related to our emotion or our thoughts are connected with our consciousness, that is represented by the claustrum and the ocean. In fact, the whole opera is called Cross the Ocean. So if you cross my consciousness, you could see my innermost world, you know, my deepest thinking, thoughts, deepest emotions, deepest side. And here the nucleus here is represented by a labyrinth, because it gives like the directions to whatever I'm doing based on whatever I'm thinking and feeling. And here we have the time in the putamen, because it gives the rhythm of the actions. And here the lock in the globus pallidus, because it inhibits the action that we know, we feel that it's not the right moment to do that, you know. Meanwhile, here is the shell, because it's like the filter of any action, like modulating, and it's more connected with the feelings. Like, you know, you see a shell, so you're gonna think, wow, inside maybe there's a pearl. And then that's it. That is even correlated to the ocean. Well, as a demonstrator, I need to explain usually theoretical part and both theoretical and practical. So I'm explaining usually on the cadaver, but if they need, of course, I'm going to write down something on the board, or I don't know, explaining something more to give them the idea of whatever is behind whatever you see on the cadaver, like an artery. Why is there that artery, and why that organ or that piece of the bone is called like that. So kind of this stuff. I put my passion in whatever I do, so I think that the students perceive that. And you know, when I study whatever, it's not just anatomy, even other subjects, I do that because I love them. You know, I love how to understand better our body, because the human body is like a perfect machine that God drawn. So yeah, just that. I just put love and passion in whatever I do.